Okay, today we're going to learn how to solve the Pyramix. Lots of people call it the triangle cube. Let's get started. Now I'm going to just mess up my cube. The first step is to twist all these corners. There's no cases. It's really easy. Just twist these corners. And what it's supposed to look for all of these is where it's like, you know how these like yellows look like? Just connected like that. I'm going to twist all these corners until they all look like connected. You see this? And that's already done. The first step's already done. The second step is making all these three connected. You see? Blue, blue, and blue. We want it like that. Go ahead and try to get these all blue. And then one side done, just turn this, and I already got all of them, see? Green, 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 blue, 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 and then yellow, yellow, yellow. The third step is the base. The yellow should be on the bottom. There's literally only two cases. The first case is where it's on the right. And when it's on the right, we're going to just turn it to the right, bring this up, this part up, bring this blue, yellow over here so it's connected. See this? And bring it down, and then turn it back. And this is where the problem is. Everyone kind of makes it wrong. Like, they always do this. And we do not want that, or else you can't, it's not right. In the 3x3, it's also like that. It's also like that. And then now we have this. Let's see, we need to put this yellow and green over here. The last step is solving. Most of the time it's like 3. Sometimes it's like, where it's like 3, like over here. Just do, if you see, try to like get the pieces right here. If it's twisted, it's okay. And now, another thing is, if you see the red and green, if there's the red and blue, you can do it. But if it's, let's suppose it's red and green, do not do it. And then I'm going to try to solve it. And now these are the twisted parts. What I do is that we do this. Right down, left down, up, left up. And then you see this, you want to go carefully. And then this is wrong, so we see, sometimes we need to get this. We want it correct. So this is correct, this is correct, this is correct, and then here. That's how you solve the Pyramix. See. And that's it. Like and subscribe.